In this video we will speak about how to make constraint in your work, and it's make you this easy for you if you need to make a change after this, if you understand constraint very well. Take care, this is temporary dimension, and temporary dimension I can write here anything I need to write. After this he will make update for this. Take care, say a change as you make here. If you go here for quick X or quick bar, or you go to annotation, and from here is dimension. If I click here and select this as example, take care, this is permanent dimension. You can't make a change in it, and this appear in your drawing. But this one is temporary. But I can make this temporary as permanent by click here. Take care, now it's permanent. Now I will go to annotation, and from annotation I can make here permanent dimension. I can make it, and from here I need wall face and make individual. From here up to here I make this one. Take care, just I click here, it's close. Now this dependent on this. Just I come dependent on this one. Okay, the same thing if you need to make constraint here. Take care, this is constraint, not constraint. I will come here and make this first to be permanent. After this I make lock. Take care, when I move this wall, what's happened? He keep this value for the door. This is very useful in some times. The same thing you can make for the other of this. I make create similar, not create similar. I just click here, and from this I will make 202 as example. I make this. After this I will make close. The same thing, I will select this and make this 202 from here, and I'm sorry, click here. After this you can click and make close. Now I make all of this as constraint. If I make change here, okay, what's happened? You will make this as constraint. This not all thing. You can select this also and make here parameter, and I write parameter 1 as example. I will make this as x or 1 key 1, okay, or door 1. Just I make this. First I need to make open before I make parameter, because take care, if I select this and I need to make, I select this and make open. Take care, this is not open. This was a close, and I make the label, he give me report. If I make here and make open first, after this I go to here and write as example T2. Okay, just I come here, he give me this T2, and this I can make what? I can just click here. This is appear. Now if you say hey, not appear, say not appear. If I click here and write this as 400, take care, what's happened? It's automatic make it. Okay, so this is a constraint, and you can make too much change in your drawing by this way. So I make delete from this. I make unconstrained. Take care, when I delete he give me something. If I press OK, this means I will delete the dimension, but the constraint is keep. If you unconstrained, he make unconstrained. I need to make unconstrained also. After this I will make this and make this permanent. In this time I select this and select this by control. From here I make this to keep this as you say. Just I make this. Take care, what's happened? This will appear. This not only thing you can make by constraint. Here I make unconstrained. Yeah, I make unconstrained. I need this to make in the equal place from this and this. What I can make? I go to aligned and make like this from here. Okay, and make this also from here to here. When I select this and select this, it will be individual. So I need to delete. To understand what I mean, I click here, click again here. After this, you can make here. And this time, if you select, he will select this as 1, and here he make equal. If you click equal, take care, he will make it as in a side. Now there is equal between this and this. If you select this for any change and you need to move, he make remove constraint. I told you there is a constraint here, he can't make it. You can make it as, you can open the constraint. After this, you can return it after you finish. The other thing we need to speak about, if you have this one and you need this wall, this window to be the same thing, you will select this and go to align. Align what? You will keep the reference first. Which reference? This is the reference for me. You make a line. After this, I click this. After this, I will close. Take care, just I move this one. The other one will move, but take care, this not move because this in the side of the other one. And the same thing, this, if you need to move, I told you there is constraint, he can't move. So if you need to make this one move, I will click here, take care, first thing, I will from here make value. Okay. After this, I can open this. If I need to move this, I will move this and remove constraint here. Move this. What's happened? He removes the constraint here, but he keep it here. So when this go anywhere, the other one will go. How I know which is this constraint, delete or other one? This constraint or not? How I know? I will go here in the view, reveal constraint. Take care, everything is by red color. It's constraint. This constraint, and other one. If you come here and make this, take care, just you delete it. This means he not became constraint. Okay. If I move this now, take care, he not keep this one dimension as constraint. I will make Ctrl Z. I keep all of this as constraint. Now I will make only constraint for text. This text I come to architecture and from here I can type any text I need. As example, I will make here. And sometimes you need to this text to be aligned on the same. I will select this one and make what align. Align what? Here horizontal. If you come up here, there is vertical also. I will click here. This is the reference for me. I need this to come to this. After this, I will select this and make constraint. Take care, I will make escape. Just you move other one, the other one will move the same. By the same thing, you can make here and make this model. Where is the reference? I need this to be the reference. I will make here. After this, I make this. Take care, just I move this one. This one will move. But if I move this one, this not move because no vertical. But if you move this one, take care, it's move. By the same thing, you can make another thing like this, vertical here, and in this time you can go to make constraint between this one from here up to here and make this constraint. Take care, just you move this. He told you remove constraint because there is constraint shifted. I will make and remove and constraint the same thing. I will delete this. I think this is everything we need to speak about it in constraint, and see you in another video. Thank you.